Really?
Sure, Michael, we just received the complaint a few hours ago. The patient is suing for several things, including emotional distress, violation of rights of privacy, and sexual harassment. In addition to the photograph that you were just talking about, one that we're about to show you, she also claims that the doctor and his staff placed obscene images on her face, positioned her neck so that they could keep her mouth open in order to make a crude sexual joke.
She was shocked, humiliated.
This photograph is the center of a civil lawsuit. The patient's eyes are blocked out to protect her privacy, and that's why she's suing. She says her privacy rights were violated. While 36-year-old Veronica Valdez was undergoing a minor surgery, her anesthesiologist put stickers of teardrops and a mustache on her face as a joke. He asked a nurse's aide to snap this photo.
My client was distraught. She lost her career of 12 years. She didn't know these people that she worked with, what they did to her, and she couldn't believe it.
It happened at Torrance Memorial Medical Center back in 2011. The hospital says Valdez was a patient and employee at the hospital. She worked there for 13 years. The hospital says she was friendly with the anesthesiologist, Dr. Patrick Yang, and the operating staff, calling this a case of poor judgment. Both Dr. Yang and the nurse's aide were disciplined, but allowed to keep their jobs.
These people that were in the operating room were her coworkers, not her friends. And these people that did this to her said they were playing a joke, but there's really no such things as a joke in the operating room played on someone who is dependent upon the people in the operating room to keep them alive.
In a statement, the hospital says, quote, while the breach of professionalism regrettably did occur, Torrance Memorial is vigorously defending this lawsuit and requesting its dismissal. Most of the allegations are factually inaccurate, grossly exaggerated, or fabricated. And there are a lot of other details mentioned in this complaint. In a separate incident, a registered nurse gave a deposition and said that back in 2009, he walked into an operating room and saw that a sales rep was taking a picture of a naked patient. The hospital denies this allegation. A court hearing is set for November. We're live in Torrance. Kimberly Chang, KTLA 5.